Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I wanted to do something kind of chill just because it's the middle of the week, we got work, we got school, we got other responsibilities. So today I wanted to share with you how I did some of my, not necessarily DIY, but just kind of phone wallpaper collages. The first one is just like a really simple aesthetic example. It's kind of like a notepad with little drawings and stuff. I actually really like that one, and it was really cute. And basically what I'm showing on the screen is that a quick and easy way to find the assets or the images that you want to use. I wanted to do a Jenny Holzer one for my my lock screen, but it turns out none of her, well, not none of her stuff, but most of her like quotes and stuff are too big to be used for phone wallpaper. Most of them are good for like banners or for like your laptop background. But I do love Jenny Holzer, and one day I definitely want to not own one of her pieces, but I do want to like DIY one of her coats for one of my shirts. But yeah, basically all I really did was Google them, and then I went to one PNG website. You want to make sure that all the assets that you're using are PNGs, transparent, especially if they're not the background that you're going to be using for the wallpaper, home screen, lock screen, all that good stuff. The first one that I wanted to do, basically like kind of like explaining it, is like my little manifestation wallpaper, and it's basically just an evil eye to ward off, you know, all the bad juju and stuff like that, because it's basically called the Maladojo. I know a lot of Turkish sellers, they'll sell pendants and charms and stuff like that to ward off evil, but that's basically what it uses to, you know how people give you bad energy and stuff, that's what it is, to ward off lucky cat for money, paper hearts, and a little note that says I love you because I want to love myself and give off good energy for the remainder of the year, and then money because God, I'm in so much debt, it's not even funny, it's ridiculous in all honesty. But yeah, basically what the background means is like gold for money, green for virtuity, and for health, because you know health is wealth basically. And then the white, not necessarily for purity, but just because I want to reset, I want to have a good year. But this one is done. I actually really like this one. I actually haven't even put up my wallpapers yet. I'll also link you to, I'll leave links below to my Twitter, because that's where I post the, not necessarily full res, but like better resolution PNGs of the wallpapers. This is my second one. It's going to be I think this one is going to be my home screen or my lock screen. Either way, you can use these as both. But this one I kind of wanted to be a little bit Pinteresty. I wanted to kind of midsummer vibes, but more so like you can also use this with like any other assets or any other images you want. You don't have to do what I do, but I love these things and I feel like they're pretty cute for the beginning of the year. And obviously this is something that I want to keep doing. And also this is like this is not original in any way, shape, or form. I saw one of my people that I've been following for a couple years on Twitter that she makes her own backgrounds, and I thought that was really cool. So I wanted to, you know, do my own, because I feel like, you know, I like to be DIY about stuff. Why not just necessarily saying like why get one from somebody else, but my current backgrounds, which I'll also put in my Twitter thread as well, are a background, like an image artwork done by Demi Whiffen on Tumblr, and then my lock screen is another image artwork done by subliming.jp on Tumblr and Twitter, and I love their work. Both their artworks, I'll link them below as well. Super good, super cool. They are super fresh. But yeah, this one I want to do like, oh, you know, like plant aesthetic, like still growing and stuff like that. And that's the caption that I use as well for the wallpaper. Not necessarily nostalgic, but I want to use this year to go and grow and be better and do better. And so those were the mindsets and manifestations and backgrounds behind the wallpaper that I'm doing. But yeah, you can use any assets, any PNGs. The website I'm using is Canva. I actually use this for all of my thumbnails. I use this in a combination of PixArt as well, which is a like relatively easy. These are both super easy to work with. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. I'll let the music play. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And again, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, criticism, all that good stuff, leave a comment below and share if you like, because I want to be able to grow my YouTube channel as well in this year. But yeah, see you in the next video.